Welcome to Classkick. Today we're going to be talking about creating an assignment from a file. First, you're going to click Create New. Then you're going to click Create from File. Choose your picture or a PDF, and then if you want to just take a portion of it, you can. Or you can select all if you'd like to just have the whole thing imported. Click Next, and then to add it to this page, click Next again, and then Finish. Now your assignment is going to be created. Great job! You can share it with your colleagues there if you'd like to. Or you can just go right to your Assign button and click Assign a roster. Choose your roster or create a new one if you haven't yet. Click on the View Work tab to see your students working in real time. Watch one of the students get onto this assignment. They can start working right away. Watch as this student uses the pen tool to show their work. Now as the teacher, you can go back into your View Work tab and you can look right at where your student is working. That black box indicates that it's the page they're currently on. You can also go into your assignment and click the Edit button and just add a new page. Choose the camera button, click Upload from Computer, choose your image, and click the Next buttons. Once you're done, press Finish. Now your new page is in your assignment. You can edit it however you need to, and this will reflect in real time for your students. That page will be available immediately for your students to do their work on. You can find more how-to videos just like this one on our YouTube page, youtube.com/@Classkick. Don't forget to subscribe.